Hi everyone, Mark here from Vintage Freak Limited. This is part 2 of the series of 9 unboxing videos we're going to produce. The aim is to film one a week and find out what we have in tubs that have been in storage for a while but are now going to be unpacked and listed online. We completed number 1 last week. I hope you enjoyed watching that, learnt a few things from it. So if all goes to plan, this will be an improvement on last week. The only way to find out is to give it a go. So here we go. This is unboxing number 2. It looks like an interesting box of stock items and a variety of things, so might be something of interest for everyone. Right, first out, I don't know why I think this is humorous, a riding crop. I suppose it's got several uses. It's leather, it's made in England, it's stamped, it's in really good condition, vintage. I can't exactly put an age on it without doing a bit of research. It'll go online into the eBay shop. Be looking at approximately £20 asking price, or as near to that as I can get. I have been asked after last week's video to put some prices on the items. They're only estimates. I have to absolutely clarify that, and the link to the shop will be at the end of the film. So let's have a look at what else we have in the tub. Okay, this is about as different as you could possibly expect to be from the leather riding crop. This is a vintage post-war, Second World War, shed-built battleship. Rotating turrets. Who needs PlayStation? Judging by the wood, colour of the wood and the state it's in, maybe the 1960s possibly. Price wise, when it goes on to eBay, I will be asking in the region of £25, I would estimate at this stage. I haven't looked it up to see if there's anything similar out there, but I think £25 would be, plus postage, shipping, perhaps as you say in the States. See if there's anything else similar on eBay. Can't imagine there will be, but yeah, I'll be listing that for approximately £25 with the best offer option. Okay, let's see what else we've got in the tub. What we have here is a 19th century antique stoneware scales plate. Ironstone, ceramic, enamel, and it has the scales of justice, which is a transfer print on the centre of the plate. I think, if memory serves me right, there's a Latin expression which translates to something like justice is the queen of virtues, I think. Obviously can be used for what their actual purpose is, which is as a scales plate, maybe ivory scales, or more commonly now people use them in their kitchens for cheese or meat and other food commodities like that. Price wise, when I put it online, I'll be asking in the region of £40, that's sterling, and take offers. I hope to get around 35 perhaps. Next out, something completely different. It's a piece of artwork, a zinc plaque. I have a price on it from when it was in the shop, £90. But how do you price artwork? Whether that's what I put it online at, I don't know. That's what somebody could have bought it in the shop at £90. We'll see. It has some information on the back. Head, zinc, and then it says, looks like LIT or LIR, lit or lear, 10,000, and it looks like there's a name underneath. And to me that looks like the name Baldwin. I don't know, I'm going to have to research that. Another bit of text down the bottom, sold. but that wasn't to me, this was on it when I bought it, and I picked this up at a flea market last year. So obviously we're looking at the back of it. I would estimate this to be 1950s, mid-century, modern. I may be incorrect, but that's my gut feeling. It's the sort of vibe I'm getting from it. If anybody knows or has any more information about whether that artist is Baldwin or that was the person who bought it, it'd be great if you could leave a comment to let me know. It's got a bit of age. I would put this, as I said earlier, mid-century. Definitely will be doing some additional research. May well get it appraised down at my local auction house, which is Bonham's in Knoll. It's something I would hang on my wall. To be honest, I only buy stuff that I like. If I don't like it, I don't buy it. That's my philosophy. Right, okay, and onwards. Next out we have, looks like a hand-blown vintage vacuum bell jar. You can see there's some slight ripples in it. There's no seam anywhere. Price-wise, they do vary. Laboratory equipment. That's not a crack. That's actually a little blemish in the glass. 30 to 40 pounds. Probably nearer the 40 when I list it. It's decorative as well as functional. You could imagine that with something inside it. It's obviously the whole point that it's a bell jar is that you can access it from the bottom. Very, very slight chip there, but that's not visible from the outside, and it's not a crack, so that's fine. So I'd be looking in the region of 35, 40 pounds listed on eBay and take an offer. So yeah, nice piece of laboratory equipment that can be put to other use in a domestic or a display capacity. Good, like that. Next out we have a decorative wooden boat. Lightweight wood, probably made in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, I would suspect. One of the issues of long-term storage, the front post has snapped off there, so we'll need to replace that. That's quite a straightforward job to do. Just drill it out, new post, bit of paint, and you'll never know. Price wise, I'd be listing that at around 25 and hope to get 20 on eBay. I don't think I'd sale it. Probably wouldn't last very long, but it looks quite cool. It is what it is, as they say. Okay, thanks, that's me signing off.